So it smells really good. I mean, it's Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I had to do a quick edit, restart the video. So that's why you're gonna see this video is slightly open. It's not open all the way, or this box is not open all the way. So we have a box. This is a fragrance that it's a flanker of one of my favorite fragrances of all time. It's the one that I've used the most, and this one is really good. I think I tried it in the store. I sprayed it a little bit, but I had to check it out for myself. So it is, let me see if I can get it here without dropping anything. It is a flanker of Issey pour Homme, and this is Issey. So I'm gonna put it right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I got this from Homme shop, and the reason I got it from Homme shop is because where retail it goes for around $99. On Homme shop they had it for $54, and this is better to pay half of something than to pay the full price. So I don't know if you ever bought anything from Homme shop, but they give you this kind of espresso coffee thing. It says coffee $20, take 20 off of your next order. So if you never ordered anything from Homme shop, just know that you could get 20% off on that. This is not an advertising. I have not been paid, or am I getting paid for anything in this video. My review is my own review. That is my disclaimer. So I am not associated with anybody. So when you order things from Homme shop, they usually come like this package. So it's really nice and packaged. I had to wait close to a week to get this one in, and when it was in stock, because sometimes it's just not in stock. So I guess this one, it has a lot of popularity, and I could see that for spring. I don't know, maybe summer, but it is a really good fragrance. And you already know what it is because you already saw the thumbnail of the video. But so here it is. Enjoy 10% off your next order. Use coupon, whatever it is right here. It says, hurry, it expires soon. Never pay retail. So there you go. See that? And then on the back, gives you that right there. So I really like buying stuff at Homme shop. So if you're really worried about the first time buying stuff in Homme shop, I've never had an issue with Homme shop. Well, unless you count this guy right here. So I made a video a while back about Mont Blanc Explorer Blue. Come on, focus. They sold this on a gift set, and on the website it said that it was a 3.4 ounce, but it was they sent me this, which is the smaller version, and I called customer service, and they were able to give me $5 back, which I went back and looked, and it kind of put the price back to what it 3.4 ounce should be. So don't forget your troll stickers right here. Put that to the side, and a little bit of padding that way. And I think I did pay for, they kind of sometimes they put, which I don't really like, but they put a shipping warranty on here for $1, which I sometimes forget to take off. So here's the package. And let's go and see if this tells you what the notes are. If not, I'm going to put it somewhere around here like I always do, but basically this is just lavender. All right, the box looks really the same as any other Issey bottle or box. This was made, let me see if it gives me a date. Well, it gives me the batch code 3333B9, or I don't know. This is kind of weird. This bottle is old, and you can see how much I've used it. And this is my second bottle, I think, because it smells so good. So this is not a blind buy, by the way. A blind buy requires me to not know what it smells like. I already tried this at a local retail store, and the box smells really good inside. I don't know if anybody else does that. I do that. All right, so from what I remember, this is actual wood, and you can see that craftsmanship behind this fragrances right here. There we go, really real wood. And then the bottle is clear instead of that matte frosted look that the other one has. Now, this one is 120 ml. This is 100 ml. So this one is a little bit taller than the Solar Lavender. And the batch code matches the box. So far, it looks really good. Now, the reason I do this is because obviously you kind of worry about buying stuff online, and you don't want to buy something that's a fake. So let's spray this right here on this side. So left side it's going to be the Solar Lavender, and give it another spray. All right, and that's how it looks with the cap on. All right. So it smells really good. I mean, it smells just exactly like this one, which is kind of weird. All right, so you could, once you're side by side, you could tell the difference. Let me just let this thing air out real quick so it doesn't smell like alcohol. So the Solar Lavender, obviously lavender, so it smells more floral, it smells more smooth, kind of like skin close fragrance. Whereas the OG Issey Issey smells more woody. So I've always had this kind of like image of this fragrance of Issey, and it reminds me of like paper, like fresh cut paper, like really sterile fragrance, like really not bad, but like really clean, really good. I remember the first time I smelled this fragrance, and that is what a fragrance should do. It should remind you of something. And this fragrance reminds me of my younger age, my younger years, when I was 19, when I was 20, even younger than that. It reminds me of high school. When this fragrance came out, I was in high school, and I remember this fragrance was really, really hype. It was really out there, like everybody wanted to wear this, which got to the point where it kind of reminds me of Acqua di Gio, where everybody wanted to wear this fragrance. And so when I got this over at the retail store, or I tried it, it smelled like more potent than this one. So I don't know if I got a bad batch on this one, but so this is future me editing this video, saying that I've just been around 3 hours now, and you can still smell it. It smells good. It's not reminding me of that fragrance that I tried over at the retail store. I mean, I could smell it. It smells more floral, but the one I tried there, the tester, smelled like much stronger. Now, I don't know if that's the thing with testers. Like, I've heard that's a myth, but so overall, it smells really good. Again, I'm not one of those people that I'm going to hype this fragrance, or I'm not going to hype anything. I don't gain anything from this other than views. So if you like Issey Miyagi, Pour Homme, Louis Issey, and I keep looking at it because it's a weird ass name, you're gonna like this one. Now, is it bad? Is it a good blind buy? I would say no. It's not a bad blind buy. It is a good blind buy, in the fact that it does smell just like Issey Miyagi, but with a floral scent to it, like more lavender. So you're gonna have that woody, but you're also gonna have that lavender floral scent in there. Does it lean more feminine? No. It is a man fragrance. It is a manly fragrance. It just smells floral. How strong is it? I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it, but this is my first impression, so I'm gonna have to use this for a bit. Maybe try side-by-side comparison one day, the Issey Miyagi, to see how long it lasts, the OG one, and then another day the Solar Lavender, to see how much that one lasts and how it performs. But like right now, my first impressions are good. Again, I'm not gonna go like, wow, you're gonna get compliments if you get this, buy this. No, the videos that I make are for people that watch videos online and they go like, wow, this dude is really hyping this fragrance, let me go ahead and buy it. And then you buy it and then you regret it. So I don't want you to regret buying something. So let me do that for you. Let me regret buying that for you. So is it worth the price? $100? Absolutely not. $50 is where it should be. $69 or $60, yes. Anything above that, if you really want to pay that price, then go ahead and buy it. But I would say just stick to the like the shops like Yoma Shop, the discounters. I wouldn't pay retail for this. No, I didn't pay retail for this, to be honest. I bought it at a retail store, but I didn't pay retail, if that makes sense. So let's give it a score real quick. So I would say age group. I think any age group could use this. Male or female, I'll say this one sticks more to the male side. So if you're worried about it being too feminine because it's lavender, don't worry about it. It is masculine. It doesn't lean feminine. Projection, I think it's fine. I think it's on par with Louis Issey OG. I would have to test it though to see if that's true. Price range, I already talked about it. Don't pay more than $60 for this thing. Stick to the discounters. From 0 to 10, I would give it, comparing it to the OG. The OG is a 10. I would say that this is an 8.5. It could be better. I think it could be more stronger. From what I get right now, it reminds me of the performance of this right here. So if you had experience with the performance of Versace Eau Fraiche, then that is what this fragrance right now is reminding me of. That performance. So yes, 8.5. It stays at 8.5. All right. Again, I'm not going to go over the notes. The notes, you should have seen it. I want to put them somewhere around the screen here for you guys. But that is my take on Solar Lavender. Is it good? Yes. Is it worth the retail price? No. Should you get it if you like the OG? Yes. And guys, like always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Hey, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. What was I gonna do? Oh. If you stayed this long, right? If you stayed after the video, or if you stayed to the end of the video, and I know we just went over this too, guys, right here. Guess what I have? Maybe I should review this one next. Let me know. If you got to the end of this video and you saw this, leave down on the comment section, put ocean. Catch you guys later.